In this video, I will be showing you how to do the transponder key testing using the AE Tools Invisible Signal Tester. First, we will power on the tool, and then we'll select the first option for transponder test, and the tool is now ready to test our keys. The slot you want to use for the transponder key test is this middle one here. So we'll go ahead and insert a key. Now this key does not have a transponder in it, so nothing will happen. Next up, we have a Toyota key that does have a transponder in it. So we can see that the transponder is functional in here and is at 134 kilohertz. You can also test for transponders in a lot of proximity keys, especially if they have the emergency key option on it and it has a transponder in it. And we can see that this one is at 125 kilohertz and is also responding. Now sometimes, like with our Toyota key, the transponder, if old, has a bit of a weaker signal, and you can have to find exactly the right position where the transponder is before it'll respond.
If you have any further questions or difficulty, please call AE Tools Tech Support. Thank you and have a wonderful day.